Alright, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are going to learn about exposed nested component or exposed nested instances in Figma. So actually this feature is currently open beta. So let's get started to learn it, okay? Okay, so in this video you will learn about create instance with multiple component or symbol. So if you're familiar with sketch, you know the symbol, right? And also how to add a nested instance, and also preferred value, and also simplify instance. So this feature is still open beta in Figma, but maybe in public release we will the same, but maybe slightly a small improvement. But yeah, but you will learn the foundation how to use it and how to create it. Okay, so I have some example of the how to create like multiple create nested instances. So in this video we are going to create mimicking this the output. So in this output, so I will going to create the component for specific use. Let's say we want to create the component only able to select this icon, and also we are going to add another icon only for a check uncheck icon. So we mean we are going to use checkbox, and also we are going to add only 5 selected icon type. Okay, so first thing first, you need to create a foundation of the component. So now here I was creating the frame for this component, and also in this frame we have the it has another component, but all these components, so all these components I'm using the auto layout feature because it's very useful, and trying to use the every component, make it as the auto layout to know the powerful of these features. So now I already created, but I haven't set as a component. So first I think I want to rename it this content, let's say, and I will change rename the layer. Let's say this is the checkbox. Yeah, checkbox, and this one is facility icon. Okay, and now I will create as a component. So I will set as a component here, and now we are create multiple properties. So now if you already now in this component, actually it has three properties, but 2 nested properties for icon. So now we are going to create add properties here, and we can select plus, add plus, and now we have new features, say expose properties from or nested instance. So we can click nested instances, and now because we have 2 icon, this one and this one, and this icon actually from the another file, that's why they will detect automatically because we have two type instance. And now we are going to select this one, so facility icon and checkbox. Now we already selected. So if you want to see the result, actually because the facility icon and also checkbox icon, it has it has a variant style of variant icon in every icon from here. Yeah, that's why they show the style of the icon actually. So I'm using a material icon from Google. So if you want to try, so you can download from the community, and you can download and publish as the component, and you can call the component icon to here. So if you want to see, so this material icon that I'm using in this tutorial, so this one, so every icon from material, it has 5 style, and you can, yeah, you're able to select it. Okay, so this one, outline, yeah. So anyway, so yeah, just in case you're asking me how do you show the style properties for the icon. So you know where we get style of the icon. Okay, back to the topic. So this one, so I will change here. So I will change the icon first. So this one, so we can select the checkbox. You can find checkbox. Okay, checkbox. So by default with uncheck icon, but I will decrease the size into 16, and then I will create preferred value for this checkbox. So how to add preferred value. So you can select this icon, create instance swap properties, and then you can pick only two type of icon for a checkbox. One is for blank checkbox and one for selected checkbox. So I will add this checkbox, and now maybe you want to rename the name value. You can rename the properties. Let's say I will rename as a checkbox. Now see the result. So the result is you will see a checkbox for this checkbox. So the value of this one, actually you can rename anything as you want it. So yeah, because we only need 2 type of icon, so you will see, so this preferred icon from what I already said before. Okay, now so the basic concept is we can select certain icon into this component. Okay, now we are going to set preferred value for the what I call the facility icon. Now I will set this like I did before. So I will swap properties. I will click it, and I will rename it another properties. Let's say facilities icon. Okay, and okay. Now I will add some icon based on the output of facility. Let's say I will find chair. So you don't need to worry why is the difference between this is the outline icon, so I want to add as a fill icon. So you don't need to worry. So we can set after we can pick 5 icon to preferred value. Okay, now find toilet. Okay, oh no. Okay, Wi-Fi first. Okay, and also a mosque, and toilet, gender. Let me see the name of WC. Oh, WC. Okay, I will add Okay, let me 1 second. So I will add more. This one, yeah, if you want to add more, so you can select here the main component you already created, and these properties you can select the control icon, so you can edit properties and you can add more icon that you wish you want to add. Let's say WC, yeah, WC. Okay, now we already have two type of properties then you can select. So this one you can select checkbox and also facilities icon. So if you want to reordering this one, the nested component, you can able to do that. You can drag to the top, and now we are the order icon, so change. Okay, so let's say I want to select the chair or waiting room icon now, but still the outline icon, so you don't need to worry, you can select the style from here. So everything able to set. And now why I would like to change text value without touching the dive of the layer from here. So it's very complicated, so you don't need to worry, you can able to do that. So you can set this text, and you can set as a content you can create, and let's say you can find you can rename anything that you want it. So you can set so I will set as a text. Now I can change the value of the text value here from nested properties here. Let's say so waiting room, that's all, and I would like to uncheck it. So if you want to uncheck it, so you can from here, select it from here. Okay, now everything that you wanted, I think it's, yeah, it's perfect. Now I already create based on what I want, and I would like to this one selected only 5 icon value and text value able to edit without touching the layer. Now so I want to set this one checkbox only able to select 2 type of checkbox. Okay, last but not least, we can add simplify instances from this component. So how to add a simplify instances is very simple. So you can click this control icon, and then you can select or check this instant experience, or I mean simplify all instances. And so once you already selected, is you can see from the layer, I mean from the frame layer, you can see the C layer icon, I mean C layer name. So what this mean? Actually, the system will simplify layer. You don't need to use it. Yeah. So if you select it, actually it's only few layers, because it's not really complicated component. So yeah, the indicator is we will have C layer component, C layer name from your component that you already created and already set as simplified instances. Okay, I think that's all. Alright, so that's the video tutorial. So if you think this video tutorial is very useful, so please consider to like my video and also to subscribe my channel. So I think that's all, and see you soon, and bye bye.